Nice car.
That come from Franklin too?
Nah. No. Yeah, it was a car meet there?
Yeah. Maybe I'll get kicked out.
Oh, damn. Oh, yeah, hi.
Yeah, so it was a pretty calm one. Which is our revenue, you know, it's Franklin too.
For sure.
Yeah.
Like when you have his info? Like, I gotta leave, or everyone just getting a ticket. Everyone said, alright, go get a Nissan.
I've been letting me like that. But they didn't, well, in Brentwood, they just gave everybody tickets.
Walking off.
Oh, so everybody finna. It's finna come down.
They go, what's a G?
Got the Mustang crew. Hey, I seen a dude on Facebook with this. That might had he got an SRT junk. It's like a 2012, bruh.
Yeah, it's like a
That junk so loud. He got a pedal come out on that junk and everything. I don't know what this is. Is this a? Oh, this a Super. I can't even see like that. I'm gonna go here. Man, I thought that was a track. They got 5.0. Uh-oh. We here. I might pull it up with it. Bro, that just look like an Ultimate Coupe. Don't it? Well, no, not from the back, not from the back. Damn. Hey, that truck, it's a truck like that in Murfreesboro. Don't fuck with me like that. That junk lowered. I don't want to walk up on these folks stuff. They fuck looking fine.
You want to walk up on it?
I mean, I don't want to. Good. How about you? Damn. Look at this truck. Look at the lift on this truck. That's so bad. Big ass lip on this joint. That's a damn near 10-inch lip. That's American Ford. Oh, it's right here, I think. I don't know what it says. I can barely see. 250. Super duty. Oh yeah, you can't see him in there. Damn. Hey. Damn, that nigga needs some brakes. My boy needs some brakes like a I think this will be 6. What is that on the back?
Dude, that's what I'm fucking saying.
Oh, hey, bruh, that's a hard. Look at the back of it. I don't want to get bruh license plate like that. Look at the.
Yeah, we can build.
No, look at the lights. I mean, look at the headlight. I mean, the tail light.
It's like a sparkle in it.
Yes, bro. You're a bag rider. I was gonna say, I don't know what you. I seen through there, but that's how I want mine to be. That's how I want mine to be. You You said what?
I like this, the screen black with the black hood.
Yeah. They just satin. That's a satin hood. They
They
just satin. Nah, these folks out here.
He look at my radio, don't worry.
They done turned.
He look at my radio.
They done turned this junk to him.
This a big shit.
This is. I don't know now. That junk might be loud. I don't know if they want to do what's called. What's going on? The music gonna go over it. Details. Rims on that junk. Crazy. We at the Nissan Stadium. We ain't gonna get the license plate. Oh, I think this a car club.
Yeah. Well, I chose the United.
I see inside. I've seen a lot of these in Murfreesboro. So what I got done to it?
It's for aesthetics. Other than that, it's the clear and the exhaust. It's for not much performance. I kind of cleaned it up some, but the engine cover and the bag, these don't come stock, so it makes it look a little bit more cleaner. I still have a warranty on it, so
Are you straightening it?
I'm
Are you trying to?
baby steps. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right now, I'm working more on the aesthetics. Paid off. Then,
Ah, damn.
you know what I'm saying? It makes sense. So.
Yeah. I got an Altima, so I'm trying to like make it. It's like kind of like a show car almost.
Right.
SR Midnight Edition. I was like, right here.
Yeah, I've seen those done really nice. Yeah.
I like the S is good.
It's gonna be just a show car. I ain't got no speed. So. Are y'all from Nashville?
Yeah. We'll do y'all with the two.
I was gonna ask who y'all got like to do all y'all mods and stuff.
So cold with it.
just like a little pop-up car meet. I'm at in Nashville at the Nissan Stadium. It was just like a little pop-up meet. Be on the lookout for like content dealing with them and stuff like that. And yeah, this was just like a little pop-up meet that it just popped up on us, really. Like for real, like it's a real pop-up meet because we were just here chilling, talking, like introducing ourselves and stuff like that, because it's just like an up-and-coming car group. Well, it's one based in Atlanta, but the Nashville chapter is like just like coming up, so be on the lookout for that. But yeah, and like my SRTs and 5.0s and Infinities and lifted trucks, everybody just started pulling up, and we was like, dang. But so I'm gonna catch up guys in another video. I'll let you.